What are you doing? Get off of me.
And then go in there.
Get out of the woods or the corn. What's that noise? Oh, they looking for you, dog.
Oh, my phone's going off.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, text.
Yeah, those things you never hear.
Maybe he does.
No, I don't think he does. He needs his ears checked. Okay. Ready?